How to fix Spotify not playing music. So for example, let's try to play in here a music from my playlist. So in here, you can just add in here a music to your playlist in order to see it. Now from in there, you can just play a music that you want to use. You can go right here to your search bar and search in here for music as well. So for example, let's try to play this song and click on this play option. And doing that will play this. So if your Spotify is actually not playing the music right here, what you can do is you can troubleshoot it. To do that, head over right here to your settings, and then from in there, you can scroll down and go right here to your apps, and then just locate your Spotify from this list. So here's my Spotify. Now from in there, what we can do is we can head over and click on storage, click on this clear cache, and you can also have the option to clear the data in order to reset everything back to factory settings. So that's how you fix Spotify not playing music. Hope you helped.